Vidir is a program that's contained within the More Utils package. You can rename, edit, delete and copy files all within your favourite text editor. I use Vim. In the following example, I'm going to add the Markdown extension to the license file on line 21. This is literally a case of just going to that line number and then adding .nd, and finally saving and quitting when we're happy with our changes. An ls will confirm that this has taken place, and for the lucky people that are in a Git repository, we can do a git status. This also allows us to check out anything we didn't mean to do, and just gives an extra net of safety. Vidir works great on multiple file edits too. It doesn't have to be one file per session. In this example, I'm going to delete and rename a few files. I'm going to start off by deleting the make file on line 16. I don't like that dot on projections.json as a prefix, so that's going. I'm going to remove the py extension on conf.py 2 lines below, and finally I'm going to rename package.json to mypackages.json. All we have to do is save and quit these changes, and we can see they've taken place. An ls will confirm, and a git status will give us even more peace of mind. Vidir also works great on directories. We can rename and delete directories just as we can files. In this example, I'm going to rename source to app. All of the files under source will now be under app. Again, it's just a case of editing as you normally would in your editor, and then saving the changes. We can ls and see that it's now being called to app, and we can cd into app and ls further. Finally, we can do a git status and see the full output. However, if there are many files within your change, the output might be noisy. One of my favourite things about Vidir is that it can operate on standard in. This means we can use third-party tools to operate on some text and then pass it to Vidir. In this next example, I'm going to find all SQL files and then pass them through to Vidir so I can process them as I want. Pay special attention to add the dash command to Vidir so that it knows that it's operating on standard in. Without this command, it will not work. Once our editor is open, it's just a case of changing .sql to .json. In this case, I use neovim's inc command to do this. A vim substitution will work exactly the same. As you can see from a git status, the relevant files have been deleted and the relevant ones created. Thank you for watching this video on Vidir. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content.